Amen. Whopper, Whopper, Junior, Whopper, 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 Junior, Whopper, Whopper, Junior, Whopper, Junior Burger. Wow. Eat time.
7-ish minutes. The whites are cooked, pero it's soft. So the middle, gonna open
Pinch,
it.
pinch.
Be soft, be gentle.
It's like
You just grabbed it.
It's like a testicle.
4 or 5 years later, pop culture encyclopedia is largely run dry. IP like Marvel and
Yes.
Star Wars were among the last holdouts of shared cultural
Brilliant.
touchstones. So because of how
Here
they've
is
been
this is what
Sakto
I
lang.
content, their importance and relevance have largely been on the downswing.
Okay na yan.
Ever-decreasing box
I'll explain. Record mo ako. So,
Tinawag mo ba yung aso?
ha?
Tinawag mo ba yung aso? Nakakain sila.
Oo.
Baka nilagay mo yun.
Tinatawag ko yun. Inaano ko.
Yung kiniklik yung ito.
Ha?
Ano, dali.
Basically, di ba yung usual route na kung saan binibili natin yung ice cream dun sa Marines, dun pa sa other streets?
Oo.
Take note na every time I go there, palagi silang nauubusan ng gusto natin. Cornetto, ice,
Kasi it's
cone.
popular.
It's popular, yes. Pero yun lang kasi yung kilalang nagbebenta nun doon, kaya palaging ubos. At yun yung una kong pinuntahan at ito yung una kong nabili na substitute na share na lang tayo. This one,
Ayan.
either one of them is 10 pesos and 13 pesos, so 23 pesos.
Saan yan?
Doon sa usual natin, na street. Sa dulo ng, yung sa usual street.
Yung kay Venice?
Oo.
Okay.
Having said that, as I was walking back, nag-iisip ako saan pa ba dito potentially may nagbibentang ice cream. Then, natandaan ko yung tindahan na to, across our street, nakita ko dun may Selecta sign. So, as I was walking back, nakita ko si Aubrey, tumatakas, and I decided to, may tira pa naman akong pera dito, plus yung sukli mo rito. I decided to buy there, and lo and behold, meron silang cornetto.
So, wala kilawawi?
Wala na talaga kilawawi, di na sila nagbebenta.
Ang baduy.
Tinanggal na nila sa option nila. Tinanggal na yung poster. And nakalimutan kong kasi parang matic behavior na lang. Having said that, this cornetto is 27 pesos SRP price. Wala pa siyang disc yung classic chocolate pa lang siya. And if ever we wanna buy cornetto anymore, doon na tayo across the street para di na tayo lalayo.
Okay.
27 pesos lang siya.
Medyo mahal, pero sige.
SRP price lang naman. Okay
Oh,
naman.
ano mo na? Bell.
Dito sa dalawa, ano gusto mo? I
We
wanna
can
try
share
both.
that.
Oh, we can try
Basta,
that.
kunin mo na.
Akin na yung cone mo. Show us what you're making.
So, there's literally one last banana, and then tong chocolate syrup, then this ice cream. It's on a stick, so I have to remove it from the stick.
Madali na yan. Just let it thaw a bit. Literally, room temp mo lang for 2 minutes, tas you can melt it na. Nagluto ako ng chicken ngayon. Gamit crispy fry. Tagal ko nang din nabili nito, pero gusto ko ulit gamitin because of the nostalgia of commercials. Tapos, wala silang breadcrumbs kaya might as well just use that.
See? A very low budget banana split. Look, a very low budget banana split. I'd add more of this.
Kulang ng cherry on top.
We don't have cherries. Cherries are
Do you eat
expensive.
cherries?
Oo, pero I don't really, it's not my favorite. Like, if you gave it to me, yeah, sure, I'd still eat it. Pero would I actively look for it? No.
Sige.
While I'm waiting for the chicken.
Mhm.
I kind of want something crispy. For once, I actually want.
Kung kailan natutulog ako, doon mo ako gigisingin eh, no?
Yes. I was born to
Hindi yung may nasa mood ako magluto tapos ikaw mapakil sa pagkain. Sige na.
use the golden spoons.
Sige. So this was a failed attempt to make garlic and onion and paste marinade kaso when kailangan natin ng food processor to properly
Just
blend.
use the blender.
I tried the blender, it's not that thorough.
Hindi, I think kasi mainly malaki yung blade niya. Asan yung...
Mali.
attach. May attachment
Ha?
ba yun?
May attachment ba yan?
Either that or alam ko, di ba?
Yung
Yung handheld na ganon.
Mm.
Alam ko may attachment yun na puti na maliit lang yung blade.
Isn't it supposed to be well, ewan, I don't know where it
Ito
is.
meron eh.
I don't know where it's supposed
Ito
to
yung
be.
thing. Yung sinasabi kong puti. Yun ata, yung puti na blade na may ganon.
Well, next time.
Yun,
Wait a minute. Excuse me. This?
oo. It's a smaller blade.
How is this supposed to Wait a minute, we had this the whole time?
Kuya, we've always had this.
Diyan sa mixer. No, okay, I get it.
Ganito yun sa likod. Like, you stick it in the back.
Ha?
Ganun.
Paano?
Meron yan. I'm gonna show you.
May nozzle.
Oh.
Okay na, you daw.
I'm
Nahirapan
gonna
na.
show you.
Nakakalimutan ko yan
You
eh.
stick it in the back. And then it, ringingingi.
Paano ko ipapasok yun? Kuwari, ito yung bowl ko, shit. Tapos, gaganon ko, tatagilid ko. Or ito, ititilt ko ng...
Oo.
Tas-
You tilt it up. Kaya nga to,
Niloko ba ako nitong mixer na to, ha?
kaya nga to.
Alam ko sleep deprived ako, pero yung nag-design yan parang...
Yan oo. Diba? Ayan.
Parang nagtutoothbrush ka, tas yung nozzle mo pataas. So, ganun mo yung... Ititilt mo pa yung mukha.
Kasi it doesn't go all the way.
Diba? Medyo...
You hold it. How do you release this? Ito, you hold it. Ganyan.
Okay, gets ko na.
Handheld nga siya.
Hindi...
Tapos if you're gonna set it down,
Hindi pala loko-loko yung gumawa niyan. Okay, gets
sleep
ko na.
deprived ka lang.
Okay, sige.
Now you know ha, pagka, ayan lang, you just stick it in,
Stick it in.
twists, and then yun.
Sige, may puree, may pang puree na pala
Kaya ito
tayo.
nga yung binali ni Daddy.
Hindi ko na, pasensya na, hindi ko talaga alam yan eh. So,
Kasi hindi ka nagbe-bake with us.
well, now I know.
Bake.
Now I fucking know.
Stop!
Now I know.
You know,
Balik mo na.
spins.
Okay.
Ikaw magbalik dito.
Well, next time, gagawin ko na yun.
Balik, ayusin mo.
Gagawin ko na yun mas proper. Gagawin ko na yun mas proper. Sa pamamagitan ng mixer. Anyway, ito yung failure. Tatapon ko na to, sayang yung ingredients. Pero oh well. Ito yung finished product. Maayos naman yung lasa. Inukulang na lang ng teriyaki seeds. Ano? Rice cream.
So is
Ano
this
tawag sa
enough for
seeds?
us lunch?
No.
Or that makes sense. Sige, magsaing.
Pwede ikaw na lang. Fucking tired. Yun lang, please.
Ilagay mo sa lababo.
Tingnan ito.
That's
Actually,
not,
apat na to eh.
That's not enough.
Tama ka. Knowing
Nakain pa yung
branch pa. Tama ka. Sige, sign ka.
Pero dalawa lang
Oh,
kumain.
yeah, sige. Yes. So, we made, ito yung second batch ng, ang tawag dito, potato chips. Nag-fry ako and nag-slice ako ng mga,
This is one potato?
yes, one potato na yan.
Parang konti.
Inano ko yan sa mandolin. Perfectly crispy, perfectly well cooked.
This is mine. I add more salt to it. So you don't add enough salt.
Onting sprinkle. Kain na ako na to. If I were you, lalagay ko siya dyan. Season ko. Gamit yung sauce.
I actually haven't eaten it.
Looks like a pineapple. Napakain ko na yung dogs.
I was faking like myself to be someone else, so I wouldn't really feel like I'd found someone who like had a connection with. And it was like imagining the long-term effects of that.